Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and today I'm going to be cleaning my best friend's apartment. First off, I wanted to show you some before clips of the house, but if you are new, please go ahead and push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my cleaning videos. And if you're excited about this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So if you would like to clean with me, go ahead and make your to-do list and let's get started together. So I'm starting off in my friend's room and she was trying to tell me how to make up her bed. That's just she does it a certain way. But for some reason, some of my clips got mixed up and got lost. And so you won't see me like dust her furniture, but I did do that, and I also vacuumed her floors. Moving on to the room that I was sleeping in, and I wanted to go ahead and make up this bed and get everything cleaned up in here.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying.
So at the beginning of my videos, I love to try to introduce myself to anyone that may be new watching, but my name is Courtney and I do all things cleaning, and when I'm not cleaning, I am a teacher full-time. And I am from the state of Alabama, which you can probably already tell. But down in the comments, please say hello and let me know where you're from.
I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. I don't wanna try again. All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say, yeah. I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah.
So now I'm just moving on to her living room, and I just wanted to straighten up. We had been laying on the couch watching TV earlier that day, and so I just wanted to get, everything kind of straightened up and get it vacuumed in here as well.
I don't wanna try again. I don't wanna try again. I don't wanna try again. Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming.
So she had some flowers sitting on her tables, and so I just went ahead and just used the vacuum to vacuum it up, and then I'm gonna dust.
No, I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
So you can see that the vacuum just died on me, so I decided to let it charge up and I would just move on into the kitchen part. And you will see her like later on in these clips where she's coming in, she was talking to me, and I told her I was recording, so she ended up talking to you guys, and maybe you can understand what she was saying.
So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Anybody have any suggestions, comments below? I'll be eating healthy, but it's gonna be worse.
Ooh, yeah. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do.
So it may look like I am talking to myself, but she was standing there on the side talking to me. But I just want to say that we have been friends for at least 28 years. We're 28 years old right now, and the reason why I say that is because our brothers grew up together. They're 5 years older than us, and then we end up growing up together. But we have pictures of us like in preschool together, and of course we went to, middle school and high school together, and still, friends to this day. And I just want to know, what's the longest friendship you have had? Let me know in the comments.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes.
So my friend, she is so knowledgeable on just about everything, But right now she like knows about plants. She was telling me all about her plants and their name and what they like and what they don't like and how much sun they like and how much water they like, and she like stays on top of it. She knows about the latest music that's going on, the latest worship songs. She just knows, like, she's the girl I call on to know information. But if you're still here, go ahead and just leave me a plant emoji or a music note emoji, or you can leave me a flower.
Give me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you.
So I just hope you guys are enjoying this video. I know there's a lot going on in the world right now, but I feel like watching cleaning videos has given me some type of peace and comfort, other than, you know, of course, reading my Bible and just talking to the Lord. But also I just feel like this is the place that I come to, and I started because it was a hobby and something that I enjoy, and I definitely wanted to get back to that routine of doing this because it brings me so much joy, and it's just fun to just meet new people through YouTube. So I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings. Oh, I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. I see that it's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start.
I'm so high, so high. They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown. But I'm too curious for that. stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh, I'm so high, so high. I'ma raise the aeroplanes up in the sky. I'm so high, so high. I'm a dream and fall asleep on clouds tonight. Yeah. You see, my home is where my heart is, so I reach for higher ground. I'm living out of a suitcase. I'm getting close, now I can taste it. Flavors bitter, still so sweet. I see the finish line ahead. Oh, now I'm in Wonderland. I won't ever come down. Just like a satellite flashing through the night air. Oh, I'm so high, so high. I'ma raise the aeroplane.
I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining my little YouTube family. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it is the Life of Courtney 19, and I try to post tap to clean with me if I don't have a video out, or just anything on Instagram that would be interesting. So I would just love to have you part of my little family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Can't you see I'm so high?